ice and stick it right there. Next, we're going to add water. And again, if you're going to be using a K-cup, they do recommend only putting 6 ounces of water in. And that is 6 ounces. Okay, then close that. Open up here. Now I am using a K-cup. So again, it basically pops through the lid right there to be able to brew it. And then I'm going to tap on the button on the side that says over ice. And so what this is going to do is it's going to concentrate and brew your drink and then fill it straight up into your ice. Now it's going to come out hot, which will melt the ice, but it'll get cooled quickly as it melts the ice, so you get that perfect balance. Because if you just try to cool your coffee or cocoa in the fridge, it can oxidize and change the flavor. If you don't specialty brew it, then when it melts the ice, it waters it down. So on this over ice setting, it's going to concentrate and brew your drink. It'll come out hot. It'll slightly melt your ice as it cools it down quickly, but that way you get that perfect rich taste every time. So it takes about 4 minutes to brew. You can already hear it going on there. You can see it kind of vents it a little bit right there. And yeah, we'll show it to you in a second.